Hello guys, welcome back to your maths guide. Guys, on this channel I will be teaching you CBSE mathematics. So if you wish to learn CBSE mathematics, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Today we are going to start with exercise 2.3 of chapter 2 polynomials. Okay, so exercise 2.3. So let us see what the first question says. Divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. Okay, so they have given us first question. Px they have given x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and gx they have given x square minus 2. Okay guys, in any polynomial or in any equation, the power which is the highest of the first term is the degree of the polynomial. Okay, so the degree of this polynomial is 3 and the degree of this polynomial is 2. See, this is the degree of this polynomial, this is the degree of this polynomial. So whichever is the highest, like 3 is the highest, so we have to divide 3 by 2. So let us start. X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 x square minus 2. So how are you gonna divide this? It is simple guys, you just have to see this term and this term. So x square into x will be x cube, that is all you have to do. Then minus 2 into x will be minus 2x, you have to write it below 5x, below the same power, so minus 2x. Now change this sign, this will be plus, so minus, this is minus, so plus, so this gets cancelled. Minus 3x square plus 5x plus 2x will be plus 7x minus 3. Okay, so now x square, and we have to get minus 3x square, so x square into minus 3 will give us minus 3x square. We have to multiply in such a way that the first term always gets cancelled guys, or always gets deducted. So minus 2 into minus 3 will be 2 3 is 6, so minus minus plus 6. Now change the signs, minus becomes plus, this becomes minus, so this goes plus 7x minus 9. So here, as you can see, the degree of this is smaller than the degree of this, so we can't divide any further, so we just have to leave the sum here. This is our remainder. So quotient is equal to x minus 3, and remainder is equal to plus 7x minus 9. This is how we have to solve the sum guys. Okay, so let us move on with second question. P of x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, g of x will be x square plus 1 minus x. Okay guys, here you can see there's a problem, like slight problem. See, x raised to 4, then after that it is x square, x and 5. Here between 4 and 2 the power of x raised to 3 is missing, so we will rearranging P of x will be x raised to 4 minus 3x square, 0x cube. Okay, here x cube is not there, so minus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and rearranging g of x x square minus x. After x square we have to have x. Okay, so what we do is x square, if we shift this minus x here, minus x plus 1. So we have to divide p of x by g of x, a rearranged term. So let us write down x raised to 4 minus g. So let us take it as plus 0x cube plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and here it is x square minus x plus 1. So guys, x square to x raised to 4, if you multiply by x square into x square will be x raised to 4 minus x into x square will be minus x raised to 3, yeah, and 1 into x square will be plus 1 x square, correct? So now we'll change the signs. This becomes minus, this becomes plus, this becomes minus. So cancel this out. So 0 plus x cube will be 1x cube, minus 3x square minus 1x square will be minus 4x square, then this side it is plus 4x plus 5. So x, now we have to get it as x cube. So x square into plus x will be 1x cube, then x into x will be minus x square, 1 into x will be plus 1x. Again change the signs, this is plus so minus, this is minus so plus, this is plus so minus. So this gets cancelled. 4x square minus 4x square plus x square minus 3x square plus 4x minus 1x will give you minus 3x plus 5. So now we have to get minus 3x square. So x square into minus 3 will give you minus 3x square, minus x into minus 3 will be plus 3x plus 3x, and then plus 1 into minus 3 will be minus 3. So now change the signs, this will be plus, this will be minus, this will be plus. So this will be plus, this gets cancelled. Plus 4 minus 1x plus 3x plus 3x minus 3x, this also gets cancelled. Plus 5 plus 3 will be plus 8. So our quotient is equal to x square plus x minus 3 and remainder is equal to plus 8. Okay guys, so now let us move on to third question of first mean third question. So what they have given here, p of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6, and g of x they've given as 2 minus x square. So we have to rearrange g of x minus x square plus 2. So now dividing x raised to 4, we have to rearrange this as well. P of x raised to 4 minus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. Why I'm taking only 0x square is because here only x square is there. There are only two terms. So we don't need to take 0x cube. Even if you take 0x cube, it is fine. But here it is not necessary, so I'm not increasing the length of the problem. 0x square minus 5x plus 6 minus x square plus 2. So minus x square into minus x square minus minus plus. So x square into x square, x raised to 4 plus x square plus 2 into minus x square will give you minus 2x square. So change the signs, minus plus cancel. So here we get plus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. So minus into, so here I have to multiply the minus 2 and plus 2x square, minus into minus plus x square into 2, 2x square plus 2 into minus 2 will give you minus 4. Now change the signs, minus, and this becomes plus. So this will be minus 5x plus 10. So now you can't divide any further, guys, right? Because the power of this, the degree of this is less than the degree of this. So you can't divide it. So just have to leave it at that. Your quotient here minus x square minus 2 and remainder minus 5x plus 10. So these problems are so easy, guys. Okay, so let us move on to the second main question. So what does the second question say? First question, check whether the polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing second polynomial by the first polynomial. So they have given us two polynomials. So what is the first polynomial they have given us? T square minus 3, and second polynomial they have given us 2t raised to 4 minus 3t square minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. What they have asked us, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. Okay, how do we check if it is a factor of second polynomial? After dividing, if we get the remainder as 0, this is a factor of this. If the remainder is not 0, if there is something else, then this is not a factor of this. It is as simple as division we have to do as we did in the first question. So let us start. We have to divide this with this. So 2t raised to 4 minus 3t square minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 t square minus 3. Sorry, this is cube. Okay, t square into 2t square will give us 2t raised to 4 minus 3 into 2t square will be minus 3 into minus into plus will be minus 3 into 2 will be 6. So here we will get it here minus 6t square. So now change the signs. This will be, this is plus, so this will become minus. This is minus, so this will become plus. Okay, so now this cancels. Minus 3t cube minus 3t cube. So yes, this is plus in the question, plus 3t cube. See, it is plus. My mistake, I took it to minus by mistake. So minus 2t square plus 6t will give us minus 2 plus 6 will be minus plus 4 t square minus 9t minus 12. So plus 3t, t square into t will be cube, so plus 3t cube, then minus 3 into plus 3 will give you minus plus 9t, minus 9t. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, so this gets cancelled, even this gets cancelled. What is left is 4t square minus 12, right? So now t square and 4t square we have, plus 4t square into 4 will be 4t square, and minus 3 into plus 4 will be minus 12. So change the signs, this becomes minus, this becomes plus, cancel, cancel, 0. How? So we get the remainder as 0, since we have to write this statement, since we get the remainder as 0, t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. Now let us go to second question of the second main. So second main, second question. With the first polynomial they have given us x square plus 3x plus 1. Second polynomial they have given us 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So let us start the division. Check again. 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2, and here we have x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so now x square, and we need 3x raised to 4, so x square, so we need 3, so we'll write 3. X square into x square will be 3x raised to 4. 3x into 3x square will be 9x plus 9x cube, then 1 into 3 will be 3x square plus 3x square. So now change the signs, this becomes minus, this becomes minus, this becomes minus, this cancels out, and what is left is 5 minus 9, so we'll have minus 4x cube, then minus 7x square minus 3x square, we'll get it as minus 10x square plus 2x plus 12. So now we need minus 4x cube, so x square into minus 4x, we will have minus 4x cube, then 3x, 3 4s are 12, so minus 12x square, 1 into minus 4 will be minus 4x, so this becomes plus, this becomes plus, this becomes plus, this cancels out. Minus 10x plus 12x will give you plus 2x square plus 2x plus 4x plus 6x plus 12. So now we have x square, and here we have 2x square, so plus 2, so plus 2x square, 3x square into 2, 2x square, 3x into 2 will have 6x plus 6x, so 1 into, so this is 2, not 12 guys, this is 2, 1 into 2 will be 2, so change the signs. Minus, 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 cancels out, cancels out, cancels out. Plus 2x square minus 2x square cancels. Plus 6 minus 6x cancels. Plus 2 minus 2 cancels out. The remainder is 0. Therefore x raised to x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of x. 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So now let us go to the third question of second main. Third question. Okay, so what is the first polynomial they have given us? X cube minus 3x plus 1, x raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So let us divide this with this. Which is the higher power, guys? X raised to 4. So x raised to 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. And here we have x cube minus 3x plus 1. X raised to 4. So this is x raised to 5, guys. X raised to 5. X raised to 5. X raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. X minus 4x cube. Yeah. So you have to multiply it with, we need 5 here. So 3 square x raised to 5, right? So minus x into x square minus 3x into x square will have minus 3x cube plus 1 into x square will be 1x. So this will be plus 1x square. So this is minus, this plus, this is minus. So plus x raised to 5 minus x raised to 5 cancels. Plus x 1x square minus 1x square, even this cancels. So what is left is minus 4x cube plus 3x cube will give us minus 1x cube, then plus 3x plus 1. So x cube into x cube minus 1. X cube into minus 1 minus 1x cube minus 3x into 1 plus 3x plus 1 into minus 1, I have minus 1. So here we get, change the signs, plus, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. So minus 1x cube plus 1x cube cancels, plus 3x minus 3x cancels, plus 1 will be plus 2. So here our remainder is equal to 2. Therefore there is a remainder other than 0. Therefore x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of x raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. This is not a factor. This is not a factor of this. See here, remainder is other than 0. Okay guys, so now let us move on to our third question. So third question, what does the third question say, guys? See here, obtain all other zeros of 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are plus under root 5 by 3 and minus under root 5 by 3. Okay, so any equation, first let us write out the question. 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, any equation, number of zeros in any equation, okay, is equal to its degree. So the degree of this equation is 4, so it will have 4 zeros. They have already given us 2 zeros plus 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3. Okay guys, if you remember, while finding out zeros, we used to get something like x plus 1, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we would have x is equal to minus 1, because this plus goes that side, and x is equal to minus after doing that will be that side. So x is equal to plus 1, x is equal to minus 1. So like that we will apply this here. See, suppose these are here, this is, let us put these in the places of 1. Okay, so from that we will have x plus root 5 by 3, and other side we will have x minus root 5 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so we used to solve this to get the zeros. So now from zeros we are going backwards. Okay, so now from this to form an equation, we will have to multiply this. This is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So you multiply a here, b here, and here. So you have to multiply x with x, and then x with minus 5 root 3, then plus 5 by root plus 5 by 3 into x, and this into this. So we'll have x into x, will have x square, then x into minus 5 will be, so minus 5 by 3 x. Okay, so now this into this, so plus root 5 by 3 x, and plus root 5 by 3 into minus root 5 by 3 will see here, anything, root 2 into root 2 will be 2, root 3 into root 3 will be 3. Similarly, root 5 by 3 into root 5 by 3 will be 5 by 3. Okay, so plus into minus will be minus. That's 5 by 3. So here see, this is minus and this is plus, so it cancels out. So what we have left is x square minus 5 by 3. So from this we have to divide this equation with this to get the other two zeros. So let us divide. Okay, see here we got x square minus 5 by 3. With from this you have to divide this equation. Okay guys, so how will you divide? See, will this much space be sufficient? Okay, let us try. Three x raised to 4 minus minus plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, so now write down this here, x square minus 5 by 3. So x square into, we need 3x raised to 4. So x square into 3x square will give us 3. X square into x will be x raised to 4. So 5 by 3 into 3x square. See here, 5 by 3 into 3 will be 3, 1. This 3 cancels. So what will remain is 5x square. So where we can write it, we will write it below x square. So minus 5x square. So now change the signs. this is minus, so this is plus, so this will become minus, this is minus, so this will become plus. So this cancels out, plus 6x cube and minus 2x square plus 5x square will be plus 3x minus 2 plus 5 plus 3x square minus 10x plus 5. Okay, I'll stretch it like this for better. Then now what we need, 6x cube, so minus 6x. Okay, so here x square into x will be x cube and we need plus 6, so plus 6, so we'll have plus 6x cube. Then minus 5 by 3 into 6, 5 by 3 into 6, 3 ones are 3 twos are 5 into 2 will be 10x. So where we will put it, write it over here. Okay, minus 10x. So change the signs, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. So this is minus 10x already, minus 10 plus 10 cancels, minus 6x cube, this cancels. So what is remaining is plus 3x square, x square plus 3x square minus, sorry, plus 5. Okay, so now we just have to multiply x square into 3 plus 3, x square into 3 will be plus 3x square and minus 5 by 3. 5 by 3 into 3 will be 3 ones are 3 ones are, so minus 5. Okay, so now change the signs, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, minus 5, this is minus 5, minus this will become plus, so cancel, this will become 0. So now what is our quadratic, what is our quotient? Quotient is equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 3. So now this is a quadratic equation. How from this you have to find the zeros. Okay, you have to find the roots, those will be the zeros. So how do you find the roots of quadratic equation? 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Remember in the last exercise I told you, you have to multiply this into this and find the factors such that on adding they will be 6x and by on multiplying it will be 3. Okay, so the 3 into 3 will be 9. Let us find out the factors. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Factors of 9 such that it is plus 6. So 3 by and 3. So 3x square. See guys, 3 into 3 9. 3 plus 3 6. Here are the factors. Plus, so now split 6 into 3 and 3. 3x plus 3x plus 3. Now from this pair what you can take common? We can take 3x common. So 3x, what remains? X plus 1. From this pair what you can take common? You can take 3x common. So plus 3 to x plus 1. So there one root will be x plus 1. Another will be 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? So x is equal to minus 1 or 3x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 3. X is equal to minus 1. So I guess this, the other two zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. So this is how we solve our third sum. The third sum is a bit lengthy, so for practice I would recommend you to do it as I solve. Okay, So now let us move on to the fourth sum. Excuse me guys, sorry. So fourth sum. Okay, what does the fourth sum says? On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and yeah, okay. So they have given us dividend, quotient and remainder. We have to find out the divisor. Okay, so on dividing x cube minus 3x square, so this is a dividend dividend is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is the dividend, and the quotient and the remainder. So they have also given quotient QUOTENT. See guys, they have given quotient and the remainder were minus 2x and minus x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Means the first they have given is quotient and next is remainder. So quotient is x minus 2, remainder minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so now we know that we have to find divisor. Okay, we have to find divisor. If you remember, there's a formula: dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Isn't it guys? This is a formula of Euclid's division lemma. We have studied this in real numbers chapter 1. So guys, we just have to find out the divisor. So dividend, so send this remainder this side. Okay, dividend minus remainder is equal to divisor into quotient. Now we have dividend minus remainder and quotient. So if you want to find divisor, send this quotient under this. So dividend minus remainder divided by quotient is equal to divisor. As simple as that guys. When we divide this by this, we get the divisor. That is what they have asked us. So now let us substitute these values in here. Okay, so now check out. So it is dividend minus remainder. So I'll write it again: dividend minus remainder upon quotient is equal to divisor. So what is dividend they have given us? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. So minus, what is the remainder? Minus 2x plus 4 upon what is the quotient? X minus 2. So now let us open is equal to divisor. Now let us open this bracket: x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, minus into minus plus 2x, minus into plus minus 4. So plus 2x plus x, this. Okay, so now see, we have to simplify this. There are too many terms, so let us simplify. We can add xn plus 2x and we can make the sum of plus 2 minus 4. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x will be plus 3x, and plus 2 minus 4 will be minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to divisor. So now divide this with this, we'll get the divisor. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. X minus 2. So now x, we need x cube, so x into x square, we'll get x cube minus 2 into x square will be minus 2x square. So this is plus, this becomes minus, this minus, this becomes plus, cancel out. So minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1, x square will be x square. So this remains as it is, plus 3x minus 2. Okay, then x minus x plus x into minus x minus 1x square, then minus 2 into minus x will be plus 2x. So now this becomes, now change the signs, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, this cancels out, plus 3x minus 2x will be 1x minus 2. This is also 1x minus 2 into plus 1. X into 1 will be 1x, minus 2 into plus 1 will be minus 2. So this becomes plus, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. Cancel, cancel, remainder is 0. Okay, so this is the divisor. Divisor is equal to x square minus x plus 1. That is how we solve this, guys. So now the fifth one, guys, in this exercise you just have, in the fifth sum, you just have to give the examples of this for p of x and example for q of x. P of x is the dividend, q of x is the quotient. So you just have to give examples. It is just a theoretical question, such kind of questions will not be asked. You just have to give an example, like you can say this is some polynomial, this is some polynomial. This is a theoretical question. If you want it, I have I'll put up a link from where you can study the question 5th. You just have to learn by heart it, but this question won't come, so I won't be solving in the video. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below, or you can message me. I'll put up the link of my Instagram handle in the description box below. And yeah, if you like whatever I'm teaching, please make sure to like. And if you want to study CBSE mathematics, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.